Instream or Infeed video ads, which should I use? Well, this is a very popular question we get, and the answer is you should use both. Now, our team has successfully scaled hundreds of businesses to 7 and 8 figures using YouTube ads, and it's safe to say there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to media buying. A lot of your strategic decisions will depend on your offer, your funnel, and ultimately your campaign goals. But when it comes to our budget strategy for most of our clients, the split usually looks like 80% in-stream and 20% in-feed or discovery ads, however you want to call them. Stick to the end of this video and I'll break down all the reasons why we encourage using both. But before we do that, let's quickly go over these ad types, their main characteristics and differences, because understanding the nuances of each ad type allows you to tailor your strategy to maximize effectiveness and ROI. Now, starting with in-stream ads, we have skippable and non-skippable in-stream ads. You'll want to use skippable in-stream ads when you have a video you'd like to promote before, during, or after other videos on YouTube and across websites or apps running on Google Video Partners. How do they work? Well, skippable in-stream ads play before, during, or after other videos, or as a full screen ad that plays before a viewer can proceed within mobile apps. After 5 seconds, the viewer has the option to just skip the ad. If you use cost per view bidding, you pay whenever a viewer watches 30 seconds of your video or the entire duration of it if it's shorter than 30 seconds or interacts with it, whichever comes first. Now with target CPM, target CPA, and maximize conversions bidding, however, you pay based on impressions. Which campaign goals should you select to use this ad format? That would be sales, leads, website traffic, awareness and consideration, and last but not least, you can create a campaign without a goals guidance within Google Ads.
Hey, really quickly, if you are somebody that's looking to get into YouTube ads, whether you want to do it yourself or you want it completely done for you, what I recommend is that you go down to the description of this video and click on the top link. What that will allow you to do is book a free strategy session with somebody on our team where we will sit down with you completely for free and see if YouTube ads make sense for your business. And with that, let's jump back into the video.
Now let's talk about non-skippable in-stream ads. You'll want to use non-skippable in-stream ads when you have video content you'd like to promote before, during, or after other videos on YouTube and across websites or apps running on Google Video Partners that you want to make sure viewers who watch the entire message without skipping your video. Non-skippable in-stream ads use target CPM bidding, so you pay based on impressions. Which campaign goal you should select to use this ad format? That would be awareness and consideration, but you can also use this ad format when you choose to create a campaign without a goals guidance in Google Ads. Now, what about in-feed ads? Well, formerly known as video discovery ads, aside from the name change, the ad format functions are the same. These ads show to highly engaged users in the discovery and search phase. When you should use them? Well, you can use these to promote video content in places of discovery, next to related YouTube videos, as part of a YouTube search result, or on the YouTube mobile homepage. It's basically a thumbnail image from your video with some text, and while the exact size and appearance of the ad may vary depending on where it appears, Infeed video ads always invite people to click to watch the video. The video then plays on the YouTube watch page or the channel homepage. You'll only be charged when someone clicks to actually watch the ad, or in some cases, when they watch it autoplay for at least 10 seconds. Now, your campaign objective should be awareness and consideration for this, but you can also use this ad format when you choose to create a campaign without goals guidance within Google Ads. Now, back to our take on why you should leverage both in-stream and in-feed ads into your campaigns. See, in-stream ads are perfect for driving conversions and reaching a large audience. Think of those old school TV commercials that popped up before your favorite show. It's basically a pre-roll ad that shows before a video, but also mid-roll and post-roll, and they are intended to reach a specific audience that is watching a specific video or channel. So, in-stream ads are a great way for advertisers to reach a highly engaged audience and get their message in front of potential customers at the right time. Basically, you get in front of their face to take action with a CTA and a link to click on. And this is why in-stream ads usually get high click-through rates, good cost per lead and a low cost per conversion because it's a format made for people to click through. On the other hand, think of Infeed ads as the billboards on a busy highway. With Infeed or discovery ads, you might struggle to scale ad spend, and yes, it is true, a smaller percentage of people might end up watching as they appear on the search results on YouTube, suggested videos, and the YouTube homepage. These ads are intended to reach users who are not actively searching for a specific brand or product, but are instead just browsing through YouTube's recommended videos. You can say the goal of Infeed ads is to increase brand awareness and reach new potential customers. So, Infeed discovery ads may not be as effective as other types of advertising if your goal is, driving direct sales or conversions. Since Infeed ads are intended to reach users who are not actively searching for a specific brand or product, it can also be harder to measure their ROI. Now, the real success of Infeed ads depends on the ad content and the targeting. A well-produced and targeted ad can generate a high number of views. So it's important to have a clear understanding of your target audience and to create high-quality, engaging video content that aligns with your advertising goals. There are two big advantages to Infeed ads. One, if you're good at making long-form content, you can use Infeed ads to build engaged lists of viewers that you can then retarget using Instream ads. People who watch 20 minutes of your video and engage with your content will most likely have higher intent because they are just fans of your brand. You can actually make a lot of sales from Infeed ads if you're good at selling through long-form video or you're a master VSL copywriter. Yes, this could be for you. And number two, Infeed ads are great for awareness. You can build your brand and your channel, bring in new viewers, new subscribers, provide value upfront and bring people into your funnel that you can then retarget to convert. And it will be super easy to convert to these people because you have already built trust. By combining Infeed and Instream ads, you will benefit from a higher average viewing time while generating interactions like comments, likes, subscribers, and whatnot. So the decision between Instream and Infeed ads does not have to be binary. A balanced approach using both ad types based on your campaign goals and budget can lead to a comprehensive YouTube advertising strategy that leverages the strength of each format. So basically, choosing the right YouTube ad type depends on your marketing objectives, your budget, and ultimately how directly you want to engage with potential customers. So that's it for today's video. We hope you found our 2 cents helpful. If you want to learn more about YouTube ad formats, go check out our complete guide right here. And for more juicy tips and tricks on paid ads, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. We got a ton more value coming your way. Until next time.